So 2020 got us in quarantine on the last day, so New Year's Eve was a little different. Instead of having parties like we got more something like this. But I think me and my girlfriend made the best out of it. I gotta admit, quarantine is boring. So I did what everyone would do. I got on my computer and watched some music videos. After a time, I even stumbled over my own videos. And then something got my eye. I needed some new titles. That's why today I'm gonna show you how I did this. To make this, I use Premiere Pro. Let's start with the glitch effect. First of all, I choose a title and then I adjust some settings. And now let's start the edit. So at first, I give it some cuts to let it flash it in a little bit. Then I take a piece and put some complex waves above it. Adjust some settings to your needs and you can go on. For some final twists, I duplicate the layer and play around with the opacity and the scale and with the precision to give it a little pop at the end. Check it out. Let's not lose time. Next title, the neon light title. For this title, you want to use a thicker font. Pile them up. Then you're gonna start outlining the titles except of the middle one. The only effect you need is a glow effect for this one. You can adjust the first title with it and then just copy and paste it. And you're done. And for the last part, we're gonna do something crazy. Now don't freak out, we're gonna use After Effects. Like every title, we first gonna do some adjustments for the font. Start an animation and give it some Gaussian blur. Just turn on the randomness and change the form to ramp, play around with the opacity, and you're good to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video. I see you in the next one.